This joint say, child North Carolina Democratic Representative Cecil Brockman has been arrested and charged with statutory sexual offense involving a 15-year-old. Now watch this, y'all, watch this. Lock him the fuck up. You see how easy that is, Republicans? This isn't a race or a party thing. Pack this motherfucker up, okay? And I know it's going to be a good time for somebody to say, well, what if they're also going to give him 6 months how they gave the white judge 6 months? They shouldn't have gave him 6 months. Pack these perverts the fuck up. Like, the judge should have been an example, okay? Stop giving these fucking perverts slaps on the wrist. This isn't a race thing. This isn't a party thing. These motherfuckers are abusing and taking advantage of fucking kids. Pack him up, pack the last nigga up, pack the next nigga up, like pack all these niggas up. Most importantly, if your president is on that fucking Epstein list, pack his ass up too. Fucking weirdos.